The RMS Titanic sank on April 15, 1912, after striking an iceberg in the North Atlantic Ocean. The ship, which was on its maiden voyage from Southampton, England, to New York City, was considered one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced vessels of its time. It was advertised as unsinkable due to its innovative design, which included 16 watertight compartments. However, when it collided with an iceberg at 11:40 p.m. on April 14, 1912, the impact caused the hull plates to buckle, flooding several compartments. Despite early hopes that the Titanic could stay afloat, it became clear that the ship was doomed. At 2:20 a.m. on April 15, 1912, the Titanic broke apart and disappeared beneath the waves, sinking about 370 miles, 600 kilometers, southeast of Newfoundland, Canada. Out of the estimated 2,224 passengers and crew on board, more than 1,500 perished due to the freezing waters and the insufficient number of lifeboats. Many third-class passengers, mainly immigrants hoping for a new life in America, were among the most affected. The tragedy led to major changes in maritime safety laws. The International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS, was established in 1914, requiring ships to have enough lifeboats for all passengers, conduct regular safety drills, and maintain 24-hour radio watch. The wreck of the Titanic was discovered in 1985 by oceanographer Robert Ballard, resting about 12,500 feet, 3,800 meters, below the ocean's surface. Its story continues to captivate historians, filmmakers, and the public, with movies, books, and documentaries keeping the memory of the Titanic alive. Today, it remains one of the most famous maritime disasters in history.